Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Ask Sid How To. So today I am back with a different topic, not exactly related to the research, but as you can see on my screen, this is a government portal. As you can see, CPGRAMS, that is Centralized Public Grievance Redress and Monitoring System. So I'll not go very long, I'll just tell you what is it about. Basically here you can give any of your grievances and directly give it to the central government, okay, without any fees or any other kind of payment. So if you come here and see what type of issues are not taken here: RTI matters, court related or sub judice matters, religious matters, and grievances of government employees. Okay, so other than that, what complaint you can post here? So all these pictures you can see here, all the logos, these are all the different government sectors that you can post your grievance on. And here, since I make videos about research, so here today we'll be talking about the delays in the research grants that most of us face, including me, right? So I'll tell you how and what you can do, but make sure you are not making any fake complaints. If you are doing so, you will be under trouble, right? So how and what to do? Or you need to make a, for example, if you are having a fellowship from any of the government funding agency, ICMR, you have given any exam, net gate, anything like that, and you are getting fellowships and it is getting delayed, and no, you are not able to get it cleared on your own, and you don't know where to approach. So this is the best place to approach. What you can do is you can make an account here. Okay, since I already have an account, so I'll directly log in. Otherwise you can click here and you can see for sign ups. For signing up, you need to give your mobile number, you need to have your email ID, okay, and yeah, simple name and all those things. So you can make an account free of cost. Now you need to log in. So either mobile number, email ID, username. So I'll use mobile number, and directly I'll ask for OTP. I'll get the OTP on my same, this way you'll get a message. Okay, so I've got the OTP. Now I'll type the security code, login. Right, so as you can see, you have already registered 7 grievances, and all of them have been closed. That is, of course, the problem have been solved. That means it actually works, and you may Google it. The chairperson of this CPGRAMS is the Prime Minister himself. So you can be sure that your problem, if it is genuine, it will be solved. And why do I need to make this videos? If you are making a video and it goes to some other department, it will be directly rejected without any intimation, right? Or you may get the intimation, but your whole time will be wasted. So you need to be careful while lodging complaint. So here on the left hand side you can see appeal dashboard, log public grievance, edit profile. You can edit your profile, account activity. So I have to go to lodge public grievance. Once I click here, it will show me what all subjects or topics cannot be taken as a grievance, so that I can be clear what I am going to post. I'll click here. I agree that my grievance does not fall in any of the above listed categories. Submit. Now it will ask me what ministry or department or state government it belongs to. So if it is related to financial services like banking division, your some banking related work is delayed. It can be related to private bank or government bank as well. Labor and employment, same way income tax department, something related to posts, telecommunications, home affairs, house and urban affairs, personal training, health, family and financial service. There are many more ministries, so you can click here and you can get to know. Just scroll down. So for us, if you are as a, for example, if you are a uh, something related to youth affairs, so you need to go and check something related to Aadhaar, right? Here you can file your complaint. If you have paid for something and your work is still pending and no one is listening your issue, you can complain or lodge a grievance here. Railways, revenue, almost almost all the departments you can find here. So for a researcher, you need to go to, for example, you are getting fellowship from any of the government departments. I'll check what all are available here. So as you can see, there are a lot many. So if you come here, you can see one biotechnology. If you click here, now this is the ministry and department biotechnology. If you want, next you have to select the main category. So what exactly you want here? Establishment, grievance against any administration, vigilance, finance, any other scheme related. Any schemes were given that you had applied and you are not able to avail it. HRD schemes, administration, NIAB, all those things list are there. So whatever is best suited for you, you can check. Okay. So many is the administration, this TCIAB in STEM. Okay. So for example, I'll just check finance. Okay, next level category it will be asking. So I can ask, for example, if you are having any fundings through your institute or through your project, you are assigned through your project and something is related to the funding that you are not getting or your institute is not getting, and you are suffering because of that. So next is you need to write the project name, institute name, whatever institute you belong, and what is the name of the project. I'm just giving an example. Okay, here you can see maximum 2000 characters are allowed. You can write your issue here. Okay, make sure you are writing a genuine issue and not any made up thing, because it can go against you, of course. And make sure you write in a respectable manner so that it looks decent, right? Then you can upload any relevant supporting document here. PDF up to 4 MB. So any PDF if you have or your photos there, you can convert to PDF and attach it. Okay, and it will ask, for example, if I write just something ABCD here, I click next. Okay, so now it will ask me if any reference number is there, reference date is there. Okay, then it will ask your personal communication details if you want to correct them, gender, address, everything need to ask. It will be asking you. Okay, type the security code and submit. Now once you submit, you go to the grievance dashboard. Okay, and as you will be finding the list of grievances. Okay, so the date of receiving and grievance to which department, whatever you have selected will be shown here, and the status. You will get the mail as well as a message. So it may take time sometimes, but at least it will go to the relevant department officer, and whatever your issue is, if it is genuine, it will be solved. Okay, so same way you can file for any other issues if you have, and you can be very much sure that it actually works. Okay, so Thank you for your attention and stay tuned till next video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.